there's like some form of big cats. Do you see it? Oh, I think that's the wrong tree. There it is, in the middle of the picture. Is this a tapir? Yeah, I think that's a tapir. I'm gonna go there very slowly. Or is this a puma? Oh my god, my camera cannot zoom better. What kind of animal is this? Do you see it? Is it a tapir? It's a tapir. Yeah, it's a tapir. Look at the huge tail. And it also doesn't give a fuck about me. It's not afraid of me. Isn't that beautiful? It's so cool here. All these wild animals. Look at it. He's just chilling. He's not even like feeling attacked by me. He's careful though. Yeah, he's looking at me, but he's not like, oh my god, this guy is charging at me. Beautiful. I think we can get a bit closer to him without him being afraid. Let's try to get even a little bit closer. We move very slow here towards the tapir. If I see a puma, damn, he left. Sad! That was all we saw from the tapir.